Holy crap. You are a stalker.
Why?
Because you're creeping all upon me.
Creeping?
You're creeping.
What creeping?
You snuck up behind me and now you were videotaping me.
I'm not videotaping this.
Yeah, you are.
No, I'm not.
You are.
How do you know?
Because.
There's no light on the front of it.
Yes, there is. It's right there. Look at it.
I know there's not because I looked at it.
I'm looking at it right now.
There is no light.
Do you want to bet?
No, because I'm going to look and I'm going to look like a retard. Because there's not a light.
There is a light. How do you think I know there's a... It's right there by the...
It's not on.
Huh?
It's not
It
on.
just flashed.
No, it didn't.
Huh?
You're such a dumbass.
Show me the video.
It's not flashing.
Show me the video
What video?
that you're taking.
I'm not taking any video.